All right, YouTube. Today we're gonna be adding this catch can, oil catch can from JLT. It's the JLT 3.0. Just two hoses right there. And this is on the 2016 Ford Edge Sport. And we're about to show you guys right now. I'm with my boy Sergio, and we're going to show you where these two are going to be plugged in. Real simple. Two hoses and you're done. Échale, homie. Boom. And there's a little push tab on the back side of these. You push it in and the hose should come right out. It releases it just like that. So this is the guy that's coming out, and then this kit, obviously, like you see, has two hoses. One is shorter than the other one, so obviously the catch can is gonna be bolted onto here. You'll see that in a minute. But obviously then the shorter hose will go to this one and the longer one over here. So it should be just a fucking, bolt-on kit. Plug and play. Should hear a little click. Boom. There it is. That's it. So now on this one, what you're gonna do, we're gonna take this bolt off right here from this engine mount, little rubber mount right here. This guy comes out. And then our bracket. Where the fuck is my bracket? Bracket comes with the kit. This bracket is gonna sit like this with the logo on top, and so obviously this just sits back in there. Bolt goes right back in, holds the bracket in place. Boom, that motherfucker out. Push this motherfucker in. Let me come around this side before the YouTubers start talking shit. When we took these lines off, you could already see there was all kinds of oil residue down there. So hopefully we catch most of that shit now, and we don't have to fucking worry about it. So we're gonna slap this bitch into place and we'll be right back with you. All right, guys, so what we figured out here is gonna be best way to do it. Get your bracket out. Get your bracket on first for your catch can. Bolt that fucker down to the rubber mount, because these hoses are super stiff and it's going to be hard to try to get this on if you do the hoses first. So we disconnected the hoses again so that we could get this in right first, and that's exactly how it needs to go. And now we're just gonna pop these back in, and then we should be all set. So I'll probably do a follow-up just to show how much oil I end up catching on here. See how long it takes to actually fill that up. There it is. And that should be it. Real easy. Again, only thing we had to do was take this guy out. This guy sat right there. just like that. This one comes out, and then these two go in. You do get instructions when you buy this from JLT Performance. That's their website right there, jlttruecoldare.com. You can call them up too. Make sure I called them to make sure that this was going to fit this car, because it's the Sport versus the Titanium, whatever the other ones are, and they said it would, and it did. So there you go. Gives you a picture how it should look. Run this hose under this harness. That's the long hose. It's coming to the back here. And the short one just goes straight over. That's it, guys. That's all the video for today. I'll follow up, let you guys know how it goes. Peace.